I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the simple but critical details. Open Google account settings and check email, birth date, and saved payment methods. Mistakes here block verification. Once done, make sure the account country matches the billing country. Mismatch triggers the error. Next, enable location services and clear browser cache and cookies so Google reads fresh data. These steps prevent common conflicts and prepare your device for the more technical fixes that follow. Now you'll align billing and device signals. Update your Google Payments profile to the same country as the billing card or verified PayPal. This is why purchases fail. Make sure your device reports accurate time zone and locale. Incorrect device signals confuse verification. Use a stable internet connection from your ISP. If you must use a VPN, configure it to a single country, then restart the browser or app. These steps ensure Google's fraud checks see consistent geographic and billing data. Finish by retrying the YouTube Premium subscription. Restart the app or browser, confirm the updated payments profile and billing method, then attempt the purchase. If the error persists, collect screenshots of account settings, payment info, and error messages, and contact Google Payments support. Explain country mismatch and request profile correction. As a fallback, consider a verified local gift card or joining a family plan with someone in your country. One key troubleshooting tip: disable or remove any VPN, proxy, or browser extension that alters geolocation before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.